Today, skip the tuna sandwich and make Korean-style tuna rice instead. In Korean, 참치 마요 덮밥. Let's prep the vegetables first. Thinly slice the cucumber and lightly pickle it with a little salt and vinegar. Finely chop an onion and lightly pickle it with salt and vinegar too. Dice some Korean pickled radish. If you don't have any, chopped pickles work great. Now let's assemble the lunchbox. Start with a layer of warm rice, add the cucumber, then the tuna, the onion, the pickled radish, and some chopped green onions if you'd like. Drizzle with mayonnaise, then your favorite salad dressing. I'm using a Korean soy-based dressing, but any dressing you like will work. Finish with a little sesame oil, some toasted sesame seeds, and a sprinkle of black pepper. Put the lid on, and your lunch is ready to go. See, it's so simple. Enjoy! Don't forget to like and subscribe.